watch them shine through. We can.
Hi, I'm Melissa. I'm your RBT facilitator here at North Phoenix Hopebridge. Have you ever stood in front of a vending machine, pressed the button, and nothing came out? That's the worst, right? Now imagine there's a vending machine that gives you all your favorite treats, no transaction needed, just because you're there. That's what effective pairing is like in ABA. When we start working with a client, we don't begin with demands. We begin with connection. We make ourselves the magical vending machine of awesome things, delivering fun, attention, and joy without the strings attached. That's called non-contingent reinforcement, and it's how we begin to build instructional control, a client's willing participation in what we're doing together. Pairing is the process of becoming a conditioned reinforcer, someone whose presence signals good things happen here. We do that by offering preferred items, joining in play, following the client's lead, and making ourselves genuinely reinforcing. But here's what often gets misunderstood. Pairing is not a break from work. It is the work. It's the foundation of every intervention that follows. We're still shaping behavior, prompting compliance, and supporting their behavior intervention plan, or BIT for short. We're just doing it strategically from a place of trust. Let's take a look at two common errors that derail effective pairing. First, we'll take a look at the silent observer. What mistakes did you spot in the previous example?
The patient looks uncomfortable.
Correct. Very good. Pairing to create a sense of ease, joy, and approachability. The child's body language signals a lack of trust or comfort. Second, we'll take a look at the gatekeeper.
You can have the toy, but only if you say your name first.
What mistakes did you spot in the previous example?
None. Isn't it okay if the client already knows their name?
Even if the child can say their name, this makes access to reinforcement contingent. Early in pairing, that undermines the goal. Let's flip the script. Here's how pairing should look.
Whoa, is that a cat you're drawing? It's amazing. Try this for the whiskers. It's my favorite.
Can you spot what went well in this video?
The RBT didn't ask for anything. They just added value?
Correct. Great answer. This is pairing with purpose. We're introducing a small demand within a shared joyful moment. That's how we begin shaping compliance. Let's try one. How could you jump in, not as the boss, but as the vending machine of awesome stuff? Think for a moment. Did you think of giving them a shiny block to use? Or making a funny sound every time they add a piece? Perfect. That's non-contingent reinforcement, and it creates opportunities for learning later. Ethical pairing uses reinforcement to build relationships, not control access. It promotes trust, reduces behavior, and increases engagement over time. Non-ethical pairing withholds items, forces demands too early, or delays teaching entirely in the name of just building rapport. We can and should embed BIP goals during pairing by modeling communication, narrating behaviors, or shaping tolerance. Pairing and instruction are not opposites, they are partners. Here's your step-by-step framework for effective pairing. C. Connect by playing. A. Ask what they like. R. Reward often. E. Ease in tasks. And S. Stick with it. Here's our fun song to help you remember.
C is for connect, come play and explore. Join their world and they'll want more. A is for ask, what do you like? Find the fun that makes them spike. R is for reward, keep it light. Give the joy that feels just right. E means ease and take it slow. Tiny tasks while the good vibes grow. S says stick with it, build that trust. Stay consistent, pairing's a must. We care for progress, that's our cue. Pair with purpose, watch them shine through. We care,
not a delay of instruction. It's how we earn the right to teach. When we're reinforcing, engaging, and guiding at the same time, we're building trust with precision. So remember, you are not the gatekeeper. You are the guide, and you are the reinforcer. And when you pair with purpose, you unlock progress. Thank you.